A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for Jamaica-verse game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. I know what that. About do Mr. Kapalat, you don't know that.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Move. Take off my glasses, cause I'm gonna take off my blood clot glasses so I can see when I'm good enough. I'm taking off my glass so I can see you guys good. Alright? Alright. Skepta, round 2. Joyner, 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Round 2. Yes, that's where we are. Second round. Alright? Woo! I'm excited for this one. Let me just laugh. We want to hear some. We don't want to hear no blood clot friendly fire, Skepta. We don't want no friendly fire, bro. Fuck the friendly shit, bro. This ain't the binds. So I could jump in the one. Skepta round 2. Joyner, 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Let's get it. You see a cover art.
What do we think of shit? Joyner! Thank you! That's alright!
Yeah, Big Smoke, SK. This ain't even a UK-US thing. It's me and you, Joyner. You get me? You fell for the bait. Let me show you how to clash.
The man say him go say Joyner. I'm really a blood clot in. Really right in. Fishing. You fell for the bait. Alright, pussy. Let me show you how to clash. That's what Skepta saying, not me. Yo, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, guys. Please.
Okay. This ain't even a UK-US thing. It's me and you, Joyner.
Alright.
You get me? You fell for the bait. Let me show you how to clash.
Alright.
You're the bitch. You said there weren't a debate. Now everybody's in two minds. Man, on my word, killed you with 2 lines. It took a week for the weakest this. Whoever giving you info needs to resign. Ain't safe out here.
Well, no, man. Him say you take a week. You look like you're weak out, Joyner. Him say you take a week for the weakest this. But Joyner 1 round 1 though. Joyner 1 round 1. Me not biased. Listen, me a Jamaican. Me not give a fuck, But about America or UK, I'm not taking no sides. Alright? Of course I fuck with you guys, but when it comes to this, I'm not taking no side. Joyner took round 1, alright? Joyner took round 1.
With 2 lines, it took a week for the weakest this. Whoever giving you info needs to resign. Ain't safe out here. This a fucking clash. You're on the front cover trying to get your face out there. Take off the flag. You don't hold weight round there. Round 1 could have been yours. You bastard gave it to you on the plate, man. You know me, I'm.
Yo, the man say, listen, take off the fucking flag. Stop doing this for the clout, bro. A clash where a clash. What you do? What are you doing? Take off the flag. You don't hold no weight. What are you... Bro, that is what Skepta said, not me.
Info needs to resign, ain't safe out here. This a fucking clash. You're on the front cover trying to get your face out there. Take off the flag. You don't hold weight round there. Round 1 could have been yours. You bastard gave it to you on the plate, man. You know me, I'm reckless, little bitch. All you had to do was finish your breakfast. Instead, you dropped...
The man say, yo, I gave you round 1. All you had to do was just take it and finish your breakfast. But you're like a B-I-T-C... B-I-T-C-H, yes. B-I-T-C... Why? Let me sip my juice and mind my business. Sip my juice and mind my business.
Yeah, Big Smoke, SK.
Let's go.
This ain't even a UK-US thing. It's me and you, Joyner. You get me? You fell for the bait. Let me show you how to clash. Now you're the bitch. You said there weren't a debate. Now everybody's in 2 minds. Man, on my word, killed you with 2 lines. It took a week for the weakest this. Whoever giving you info needs to resign. Ain't safe out here. This a fucking clash. You're on the front cover trying to get your face out there. Take off the flag. You don't hold weight round there. Round 1 could have been yours. You bastard gave it to you on the plate, man. You know me, I'm reckless, little bitch. All you had to do was finish your breakfast. Instead, you drop a track full of cap. It's hilarious. Said you didn't want to do it, but you practically begged us. You know.
You say you drop a track full of beer. Fuckery. The man say you drop a track full of beer. Fuckery. Yes, exactly. That's what he said. That's not me. I didn't say that.
Finish your breakfast. Instead, you drop a track full of cap. It's hilarious. Said you didn't want to do it, but you practically begged us. You know I don't hit women. I'm sexist. Tory don't care. He was beating you senseless.
You know I don't hit woman. I'm sexist. Yes, I don't hit woman. I only punch up boy face. That is what the G saying right here, sir. Him said Tory give you some rass lick. Him said Tory licked in your back. Joyner, Skepta said Tory licked in your blood clot back, brother. I didn't say that. Skepta did.
Do it, but you practically begged us. You know I don't hit women, I'm sexist. Tory don't care, he was beating you senseless. The gloves came off, sent you to the dentist with your own flow. Hit you when you live, you're legless. You wanna label me anything, call me relentless. Kill you by myself, I don't need the Avengers. Show you.
Yo, you wanna label me anything? All right, cool. Call me relentless. I don't need the other guys. I don't need the Avengers. I don't need no team to assemble around me. Me can do it by myself. Skepta is telling you, Joyner. Skepta is telling you that, not me.
You're legless. You wanna label me anything, call me relentless. Kill you by myself, I don't need the Avengers. Show you the ropes, and after I murk you, you're really gonna hope nobody remembers. Friendly fire was a jab, had to give him a tetanus. Now I apply the pressure until he surrenders. You ain't.
Friendly fire was a joke, bro. Friendly fire was a joke. I was just playing around. Yes. I was just playing around and you took the bait.
Nobody remembers. Friendly fire was a jab, had to give him a tetanus. Now I apply the pressure until he surrenders. You ain't been Tottenham, you don't know the members. You ain't got a catalogue that's as cold as Skepta's. What the fuck is a Joyner Lucas? My name's Big Smoke, so you know that my chest got loads of mucus. I spit.
What the fuck is a Joyner Lucas? My name is Big Smoke. So you know my chest have loads of mucus. Lots of spit, me a spit boy. When I say spit, not physical. Spitting lyrics, spitting bars, rhymes. You know what I mean?
The Skeptas. What the fuck is a Joyner Lucas? My name's Big Smoke, so you know that my chest got loads of mucus. I spit that crack, make a rapper get vexed, wanna phone the shooters. No substance in.
Man say, yo, shit, what I'm talking is gonna make rappers get vexed. Rappers like you, Joyner, gonna get vexed. You're gonna wanna call the shooters, bro. You're gonna wanna call the fucking shooters because you're gonna be up in your feelings. But don't take it physical, it's just musical. That is what he's saying, not me right here.
But get vexed, wanna phone the shooters. No substance in your flows, you're useless. Course I'm gonna kill him, I got no excuses. Even America don't wanna hear your impersonations. You're a nuisance. They left you on skid row, fungal infection in your big toe. Sorry, I know business been slow. Left you spitting your shit flows and ripped clothes. Doing your Slim Shady karaoke, it's a shit show. I said,
man say, imitate Eminem, imitate the Slim Shady pussy. Him say you're not bad. Him say the only thing bad about you is your mind. Not me.
Business been slow. Left you spitting your shit flows and ripped clothes. Doing your Slim Shady karaoke, it's a shit show. I said that I'm a winner and I meant it. You only make hits rapping from another guy's perspective. Now the gas in it saying you ain't.
You only make hits rapping from another guy's perspective. Eminem, what am I saying? Am I rap like Eminem?
I said that I'm a winner and I meant it. You only make hits rapping from another guy's perspective. Now the gas in it saying you ain't nothing to mess with. And I'm like, ain't this the guy that you neglected? Left him for dead broke, sleeping on benches. Top 10, top 20, never selected. Said I wanted to clash with somebody respected. Album's out now, guess he needs the attention.
So you drop ADHD 2, so you need some attention. That's why you're doing this. That is why you're doing this. That is what Skepta sent Joyner. Not me, bro. Not me, bro.
20 never selected. Said I wanted to clash with somebody respected. Album's out now, guess he needs the attention. You got no influence and no aura. Look around the world, see a million Skeptas. I do it for the underdogs and all the psyched out niggas in the world. I can see the pretenders. I feel like Andre 3K. They're making fun of my accent, but I'm winning this either way. I feel like an outcast, cool, cause they could never outclass me. I have the last laugh and sometimes I feel like.
Yo, play on words, play on words. Him saying feel like Andre 3000, Andre 3K from the Outcast. Him saying feel like because they're taking the piss, they are mocking his accent. But just know, say, yo, I'm a machine.
But I'm winning this either way. I feel like an outcast, cool, cause they could never outclass me. I have the last laugh, and sometimes I feel like a Master P. No limit, it's all of me. Who gonna laugh at me? I get.
Sometimes I feel like a Master P. No limit is all of me. He might make some reference.
I have the last laugh, and sometimes I feel like a Master P. No limit, it's all of me. Who gonna laugh at me? I get money. I feel like 50. I put a stop to the jokes now, and I keep a young buck with me.
Bobo Clat. I get money. 50 Cent song and say, yo, him feel like 50, I get money. Young buck wanna, what on?
Laugh at me, outclass me, I have the last laugh, and sometimes I feel like a Master P. No limit, it's all of me. Who gonna laugh at me? I get money, I feel like 50. I put a stop to the jokes now, and I keep a young buck with me. Keep it rap, nobody wants a $1.50. ADHD 2 out now, Joyner, tell your manager to get in touch with me. I don't do free promos, so fuck with me. You cannot.
He just gave Joyner album a shout out and say, yo, I don't give free shout out. So tell your manager, say, get at me. Money, pussy. Money.
2 out now, Joyner, tell your manager to get in touch with me. I don't do free promos, so fuck with me. You can ask Devilman how I get busy. Have my young G's run up in your house with a Mizzy. I can't believe I'm dissing this guy, like who is he? I know nobody cares, why you sound like Drizzy. I'm triple platinum in America, it's time I bring in the triplets. Tried to scare me.
triple platinum in America, pussy. Try and know that. That is what he's saying, Jonah, not me.
He said he was a lyricist. I'm the teacher giving out certificates. I bring in the triplets. Tried to scare me, said he was a lyricist. I'm the teacher giving out certificates. Teach you how to get away with murder trust. Your Viola Davis, she learned from us. You gotta make sure that your bars are tough. Keep punching until the ref says enough. Forget the funny stuff. Keep Islam at your mouth. You can't bring hand to a bad man. You don't know where your lady is. My lady's with me chilling in a kaftan. I don't wish I was anything else. I'm a British Nigerian black man. Why would I wish I was you when you wanna be Eminem? Blood, you're the black stan.
I know. So basically, right here, he's saying, I know who I am. I know my identity. I am a British African man. I am an African British. You, on the other hand, Jonah, is an Eminem wannabe. You're a Stan wannabe. That is what you are, and that is what you will always gonna be. I didn't say that. Skepta said it. Yeah, I didn't. Fuck, I didn't say that.
He's with me chilling in a kaftan. I don't wish I was anything else. I'm a British Nigerian black man. Why would I wish I was you when you wanna be Eminem? Blood, you're the black stan. You're just a fan, so I'm spinning you round. Then I'm sitting you down. You're trying to
You're just a fan, so I'm spinning you around. Fan, get it? Spinning around. Fan. All right, let's go.
Eminem, blood, you're the black stan. You're just a fan, so I'm spinning you round. Then I'm sitting you down. You're trying to get info, you've been ringing around. I grew up on YouTube.
You've been trying to get info. You've been trying to ring in the UK niggas to see if they're gonna give you info. No, what is? No info for you. Go. Oh, no info.
Fan, so I'm spinning you round. Then I'm sitting you down. You're trying to get info, you've been ringing around. I grew up on YouTube, got millions now. Can't cap on my name, haven't you figured it out? Since 14, I've been living the dream. Fans addicted, cause I've been spitting that morphine. See me in your dreams, and I already know what you're gonna say, cause you got snitches on your team. Said I'm on drugs, and I'm like LOL, cause nobody's known me to sniff.
Said I'm on drugs. Laugh out loud. If I laugh, I weak. 1 week, 7 days. Nobody don't know me for that, bro. No one knows me for sniffing, bro. But here's a bit of weed, yeah. But here's the good old kush. The kush OG, yes, not the fucking sniff, bro. No.
Snitches on your team. Said I'm on drugs, and I'm like LOL, cause nobody's known me to sniff. Said that I'm broke, but the Virgil Maybach alone proves you don't know shit. Said I wore a dress, more internet lies, and I'm like, please show me the pic. Can we please just come?
Said I wore a dress, send me a dress, send me sell me soul. No, show me the blood clot picture. If it's on the internet, show it to me. If I did it, there's gonna be proof out there. That is what Skepta saying, Jonah, not me, bro.
Said I wore a dress, more internet lies, and I'm like, please show me the pic. Can we please just come with the facts, so we call it 2-0 and I'm over with this. How you drop a track full of cap? It was there on the plate. Nobody cares, sounded like back-to-back from Alibaba. You got personality disorder, bro. Come with the facts, not rubbish you found on the internet, it's over. I've been laughing at you bots for years. If there ain't facts, I'm not hearing it. 2-0, I'm gone.
Yo, so Jonah is saying, the last bar there is saying, bro, he gave you round one on a plate and you never take it, you never eat it. Because you came out with lots of friction, no facts. Where are the facts? Do your research before you reply. That is what he's saying. Don't waste his time. He said that's round 2 to him. I beg to differ on that because I'm still giving Jonah round 1. Yes, I'm giving Jonah round 1. Depending on what Jonah coming now, let's see what happens. But so far, that one bad. Binds is Jonah. Anything that was said in that video, I didn't do it. Skepta said it, all right? Skepta said it. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Big up on yourself. The USA subscribers, them, thank you. Big up on yourself, thank you. The UK new subscribers, them, thank you. Yeah, thank you. All right? Yes. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section, though, and I'll catch you guys down there. Peace.
Yeah, Rars game, but I review your face, the dog. If face, you fall.